I got good credit. Affirm.
Yeah.
I affirm it. Yeah. Where's that joke stand at?
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
All right, so today we're gonna put Ralph's angle kit on his Mustang that he actually just sanded. Check this out. It's buttery smooth. Oh my god. But him and Ditto sanded their Mustangs, so yeah, that's cool. And then after that, we got all our fucking extravaganza of parts right here. We have a bracket, and we have another bracket, and then we have angle kit. Check these bad boys out. These are cool.
Synergy.
Yeah, so these are made by Synergy. They sponsored us.
That's our dual caliper bracket.
They gave us 100% no discount, which was cool.
Yeah, they gave us 100% on.
Yeah. And then we have a Willwood handbrake. Is this made by Willwood?
No, it's Synergy also.
I'm all saying shit and I don't even know like what I'm saying. So what we have is we have a Willwood Master.
And it's
Chill,
Synergy
dude.
handbrake.
Hey, your time will come, youngster.
Oh, no.
Joe forgot to record. We literally just did this whole thing and it was for nothing. Handbrake mount
Made by Willwood.
Willwood Synergy. Dual caliper brackets. Handbrake. Lines. Some random hardware. Angle kit. I don't know what the fuck that is, and I don't know what the fuck this is. These are the angle adapters for your tie rods. Bunch of hardware. And we're gonna be putting all this on today. So Ditto's already getting after it because he just got done doing all this same shit to his car. So it's gonna go quick. It's gonna be great. Oh, and I could throw my quick release on because Daniel came through and gave me this. What is this? Is this a Momo?
It's like a Sparko
Has
or
a boot on it?
Yeah.
something
Look how
like
ugly
that.
it is without it.
What the fuck?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and keep this on.
Yeah, it looks pretty hideous with that off of
I
it.
can't complain, Daniel is free. But yeah, we're gonna get after it.
I'm taking wheels off right now. We're taking these fucking. I don't even know what you call them.
God damn. Straight stance down.
These are. Yeah.
Straight hovercraft.
Hopefully it looks like that. I love it.
I put my kit together, dude. I got a 12, I need an 11 and a 10.
Damn, this bitch out here with a wheelie.
Oh yeah, because there's a bolt missing because it got busted out.
No, I'm saying I'm literally doing a wheelie
Oh,
right now.
yeah.
He got that Detroit lean.
Come on, you looking
Clanker.
clanker.
The only thing I don't have is a 16 mil. I got, oh, and a 10. I don't have a 10 either. Got 11. Okay, that should be good.
I could have brought sockets, dude.
I know. I need an impact.
Bro, what the fuck is this switch for?
I'm in love with a stripper. She climbing, she rolling, she rolling. She climbing that molding. I'm in love with a stripper. She tripping, she playing. I'm not going nowhere, girl, I'm staying. I'm in love with a stripper. She climbing, she rolling, she rolling.
Hard
dudes,
hard cocks, and hard
hard rock radio.
Hard rock.
You're listening to 106X Hard Cock.
Four guys, one Mustang.
Cool, that's all you want out, Ralph?
Yeah.
Okay. You got shit going?
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. Yeah. Cut.
Yeah.
I'll just leave you some room for adjustment.
Oh my god, dude, look at those Italian ass legs.
Yeah.
put in work, Daniel?
Trying to. Cut that motherfucker.
Boy.
Thanks, my boy. Ain't gonna be needing that
Fuck
when
that
we're
thing,
gone,
dude.
dude. That shit out of here.
Throw that in the dump.
Okay, see you later, Stinky.
Stay out.
No, we're Thunder Hill for crash out. I took Kenny's car. I spent hell of money and time getting tires, buying tickets,
I think this goes in here.
gas. Spent $700 for 2 laps.
All right.
I didn't even go through.
Where else would it go, huh?
Used.
Yeah, that has to go right there. Yep.
There you go, buddy. That 3-wheel all the way to the left. No nut?
Bro, what the fuck?
That's crazy. Is it different size or something?
Dude, this is a lot of shit. Oh,
Is this extras or just in case, or like maybe like they sell
No,
you a
'cause-
whole kit for like different models?
beats me, dude. All I know is this doesn't seem like it should go here.
This is why you buy a 350Z or a C. No, fuck a C6.
What?
Bro, the what's the word?
Shut
The fucking convenience of work.
If I turn this on, does the parking brake light go off?
Hit it.
Well, let's have a fucking whoops.
I am at a loss right now. There is so many bolts that go to this thing. I think this is wrong. So I'm gonna watch a video. And all these dudes are loading up tires.
Feels like I'm driving a fucking.
We're waiting for Ditto. I didn't have a 12mm socket, so he had to go grab one. Luckily, he lives right down the road. Oh my god, dude.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, he lives right down the road, so he's going to grab one now. We pretty much have everything on. We found out where all the random bolts went. So now we're just, we just need to tighten. We just need to tighten this one. It's an Allen head, 12mm. Once we get this all tight, then we could throw the control arm on and start bolting everything together. I watched the video. You might have to cut this. So I know who's good at cutting.
Oh, wait.
Okay, sorry, go ahead. Yep. So we're just waiting.
Didn't record shit. We're like, yep, angle kit's on.
Oh, yeah.
It's nighttime.
You should cut that e-brake wire
Oh.
the rest of the way.
Oh. Angle kit's on.
Here.
Here you go. I'm gonna turn the wheel. Let's see what we got here. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Damn!
Not bad.
Not bad.
Bro, I got like a mile from the frame rail. Hell yeah. Sick.
I'll go test it out.
Yeah, let's go test it.
Sweet.
It's not gonna fucking come out and get wrapped around your drive.
Yeah, no disrespect on you though.
I get it though.
No, you would have been a great model, and it would have been. Damn.
Zoom in on
looks-
that shit, bro. Hit
Oh,
that
yeah.
5 times.
Put the ramp on the wrong side.
Oh, I have both ramps on here.
Kind of underwear's real.
Where the fuck the other one go? Oh, I only put it on one side, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I thought we put them on both sides. I think I got this. Coors latte.
Real nice.
Can I get a Coors latte?
Stock lower? That's crazy one.
These fucking dumped.
Damn, bro, that's money. I dumped the rear even
That is
lower.
slammed.
I put the rear even lower.
When I drove over to Ditto's, the exhaust was hitting the reflectors on the ground.
That's sick.
That's not good.
That's sick. That's how it should be. You should be fucking having holes in your exhaust.
Looks like we're about to go to Sideshow or something. Yeah, we are about to go Sideshow right now. Wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. This fucking fresh 18-year-old right here.
And he's drinking a beer.
And he thinks he's gonna wake up at 5 o'clock to this veteran ass 31-year-old dude stout. I can drink a 12-pack and wake up at 5. Bro.
Dude, this light kind of looks good, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sick. Do I gotta have the shit on my face? Is that what you're doing?
No, you're good.
Oh.
Need to get her over to my crib and do that night thing. I'm in love with a stripper. She climbing, she rolling, she rolling. She climbing that molding. I'm in love with a stripper. She tripping, she playing. I'm not going nowhere, girl, I'm staying. I'm in love with a stripper.
I mean, I'll be up at 5 if we're doing it. If we're doing it, we're doing it right.
I'll be down.
Oh shit! It's visual.
Down. Sneak peek if Ralph edits this video tonight
Probably, yep.
and posts it when?
Tomorrow?
Probably
It's
tonight,
like
tonight or
24
tomorrow.
hours.
Tomorrow.
You're gonna get it tonight.
Post it tonight, dude.
I'll start it tonight. I could probably finish tonight. It's a
All
pretty
right.
short video.
We're gonna hit Crystal Creek. He is a veteran. I'm not, so you'll see me on the side of the road. You'll see Brandon just fucking wave me down if I can get me off the tow truck. But yeah, we're gonna do that tomorrow.
Cool.
So, wish us luck.
Yep, so that's going to be it. We got the angle kit put on. We didn't have enough time to put the dual calipers. So you guys know the deal.
Like, comment, subscribe.
I didn't press record.
All right, who's pulling up right now?
Dan Deasy.
And what are we doing today?
We're testing this bad bitch out. Dude, look at this thing. Full drift spec.
Oh my god, the wheels poking and everything. God damn, she look good. Yeah.
It feels kind of weird driving right past the sheriff. Like they're like parked out front. We're just full drift car.
Yeah, right. And going into a super illegal looking spot. Here we are back at the mill. It's a great day. Beautiful day out here. I love this place. We were very fortunate that Tyler with the Lion's Den lets us come out here and do our thing. Thank you so much, Tyler. But yeah, we're here. It's beautiful. Welcome to fucking Team Revive. No, I'm just kidding. What up?
What up,
You
dude?
excited or what?
Dude, been a long time coming.
I know.
Now that's completely revamped again.
She looking good. And DZ putting some serious work into this thing. Look at this.
The Heliante? That's the dang Mustang seat right there.
Why'd you bring that? Oh, is that a seat for today?
No, yeah, it was going to be.
Wait.
All right, look out. I got to throw this back there.
Oh my god, the muscles on him. Oh my god, that's why you married him.
That's my husband.
Martha's prettier.
Martha's for show.
Martha's a showgirl.
This one's about to look prettier in its own way.
Did Ditto give this one a name yet?
Yeah, it's the pasta rocket.
Oh, that's right. This is the pasta rocket. Yeah. Hey, you forgot your rims. Just joking. Whoa.
This thing's rowdy, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Grinding my whole life to get this money. Like my bitch is better by the two. Sometimes I think they really out to get me. Nowadays I got too much to lose. I don't fuck with people cause they sketchy. Finger on the trigger like it's glue.
Just letting it warm up a little bit more.
Letting it warm up. Ditto's doing some data logging, making sure everything's good. And then he's gonna give her the ripperoonie.
What is this for?
Oh, YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah.
I restarted.
Yo, yo, yo. We out here at the mill. Dan Deezy's Mustang. There, right there. We testing it today after 2 months of waiting. Ball sack sweat, pubic hair, blood, sweat, and dingleberries in this fucking thing, dude.
I want you to rip that e-brake and pow. I want you to rip that e-brake and pow over.
Shooter pipes, buddy.
I know, I recorded them already.
They stole my gutters off my house and fucking weld them together. Okay, I'm ready.
Take one, beep. Tires?
Yeah, I got 2 more.
Cool, fuck yeah. That's sick.
I'm fucking pumped for mine,
that
dude. That
sick?
felt so good.
Hell yeah.
And just when I think he's gonna loop out, and I'm like, and it just keeps going, I'm like, oh fuck, dude, he's got hella angle, and then just, it felt hella snappy.
It looked like it.
Yeah, yeah. I'm fucking pumped, dude.
It was crazy, like what you said, when he would go into the apex of the corner, I kept feeling like it was maybe gonna loop out, and you guys were just sitting there,
yeah,
like holding
walking
it, and I was like, whoa!
Yeah, that felt hella good.
Yeah, that's sick.
Proper, dude. I'm pumped to get it. That shit works, dude.
Fucking shaking, dude. Got the
I know.
jitters. Fucking stoked.
I wanna watch that back.
What is that? This is rear end. Oh.
I'll do it from the outside.
I'll get you up. Not the air back in the
And easy.
About to get after it.
I told him I'd give him $5.
He's got a good car. Hell yeah. It was money, dude.
Yeah, it fucking feels so good.
She rolling, she climbing that pole, and I'm in love with a stripper. She tripping, she playing. I'm not going nowhere, girl, I'm staying. I'm in love with a stripper. Out of all the girls, she be the hottest. Liking the way she break it down.